everyone, I am Punya Agarwal, ACC affiliate, co-founder of Being ACCA. Now, your results are finally out now. I hope you have seen your result on your ACCA portal or email, SMS, whatever. And for all the people who were able to clear their March attempt, a huge congratulations to all the students. You have worked really hard, and that is the reason you were able to clear the paper. And I'm really, we at Being ACCA are really proud of you. Now, this is mainly for the people who were probably not able to unfortunately clear their March attempt. I know how it feels. I have also experienced the same previously, so I know exactly what it feels like to not clear a particular paper. But I would say that it's not the end of the world, honestly speaking, because when once we fail a particular paper, we feel that we wasted our time, energy, efforts, resources, money, etc. also. But every failure teaches us something, right? So all that this is, it is okay. Absorb your result, let that sink in, whether positive, whether negative. If it was positive, go out and celebrate, because this is your time. You worked so hard for the March attempt, and then now finally you have cleared the paper. And take a break, take rest, and then start preparing for the next paper. Now, for the people who were not able to clear, unfortunately, I would say, again, let that sink in. Analyze where did you go wrong. For the people who appeared for skill level exam, you people have an option from ACCA, which is my exam performance, and that appears on your portal, I think 1 to 2 days after the result. So I would say that please use that thing really wisely. Read it, where did you go wrong. If you have any mentor or a tutor who can evaluate that for you, that will be the best thing ever, because again, you are going to attempt the paper again, so it will really help you to understand where did you go wrong. We at Being ACCA also help out students with MEP, so if you want any help from us, we are always there for your help and mentorship. That's one thing. Now, again, a lot of people would now be contemplating that whether we should appear for the failed exam again, or whether we are already preparing for some other paper. Shall we leave that behind, or shall we do this with it, or what should be now the course of action? I would say the first course of action should be you analyzing how much syllabus have you covered of the previous paper. For example, I gave FR, and now I am appearing for AA. I'm practicing for AA. I will first think that how much syllabus have I covered of AA. Okay, if I have covered 50-60% of the entire syllabus, I would say that if you are a full-time ACCA student, go ahead with these two papers together for June attempt. Do not waste your attempt, because March attempt, अगर आपने March attempt छोड़ दिया, आप एक ही पेपर दोगे अगर जून में, तो वो एक तरह से attempt waste हो गया. So it's better that you club these two papers together if for the June attempt, because for FR, again, if you're somebody who has scored more than 45, that means that you lacked somewhere in the practice. But if you scored less than 45, that means that some of the concepts were also weak. So I would say that if you are above 45 category, 110% without thinking, go ahead with two papers together for June attempt, because again, right now you just need practice for the paper that you have failed, and you need understanding and practice for the other paper that you're already preparing for. So that should be the course of action. But now then you say me that no, I did not score more than 45, and I am also not done with, I'm only done with 20-30% of the other paper. Then I would say contemplate, probably go only with one of the papers. It is completely your choice. Like, I cannot say to you कि पहला paper दो, दूसरा paper दो. जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि this is more important for me right now, go ahead with that paper first for June attempt. But I would say try your level best that you are attempting two papers in June attempt, if by chance you were not able to clear one of them in March attempt. That should be the course of action. And once you are thorough with you're thorough with the understanding that yes, I have to go ahead with these two papers, then start your preparation as soon as you can, because now only 1.5 months are left, guys, right? This is the core time that you can actually buck yourself up, and now start preparing, now start being serious for the paper. Because a lot of people are not really serious before results arrive, because they wait for the result and then they start preparing for the next paper, which is little weird for us as well, because right now you only have 1.5 months left, right? You technically have half the time that students were having who started preparing from the start. So that's that. I think that's the course of action you should go ahead with. Now, if you another thing, just to add on to this, that if you failed in PM, FM, AA, SBL, AFM, AAA, now tax also, any of these papers in March attempt, and you want end-to-end mentorship from us, and you do not want to go ahead with any classes, any crash courses, any of those sorts, but you need some hand holding, some guidance as to where did you go wrong, so any MEP analysis, then test series or mentorship, doubt solving, conceptual understanding, all of these we at Being SSA provide under our reset test series for June 25 attempt. So if you are reappearing for any of these papers, which is PM, FM, AA, tax, and in the professional level, SBL, AFM, and AAA, then you can let us know, you can DM us, you can comment down in this YouTube video. Also, you can directly go on to our website, which is www.beingssa.in, and you can register for the test series. Over these 2.5 years, we have received really good responses for our test series and for our mentorship, and that you can see on our testimonials also. So we would love to have you on board. We'll love to have you with us, mentor you, and help you navigate through your journey for June attempt. So if you want, you can do that as well. So all the very best for June attempt, for somebody who is reappearing for any paper, or somebody who probably is now appearing for, like, pass this attempt and then is appearing for another paper in June attempt. So all the very best. Do let us know if we can help you out in any way possible.